Assalamu alaikum, my dear listeners. I'm your Madam Humera Wali Khawaja, and you are here with me to learn about spoken English, how we can speak English by using different technologies, by using different techniques with the students to create interest for them. Here, starting basic conversation by asking questions to get introduction of others and to introduce your own personality. Here we are starting basic conversation by engaging two characters, the cute girl Lily and the cute boy Tommy, by asking questions to get introduction of each other and how to introduce your own personality to the other people.
Hi, Lily. What's your name? My name is Lily. What's your name? I'm Tommy. How old are you, Lily? I'm 3 years old. Where are you from, Lily? I'm from the United Kingdom. Where are you from, Tommy? I'm from the United States. What? How old are you, Tommy? I'm 5 years old. Where are you from, Tommy? I'm from the United States. What time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you, Tommy? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Are you going to school today? No, I'm not. How do you go to school, Lily? I walk with my mom. How do you go to school, Tommy? I take the bus. What time do you finish school? I don't go to school yet.
Dear students, so it was a discussion between two cute brothers and sisters, Tommy and Lily. They were talking about their daily routines. Try to practice it again and again. Try to listen this video again and again to improve your fluency in English. So it was Madam Humera Wali Khawaja, daily conversation. Thank you, and please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, Working Channel. Thank you.